Companies approach us and ask us when is the best time to do RCM, or why do they need to do RCM. One of the reasons may be that they had an accident or an incident that they had to report on, that they want to avoid in the future. So one of the best ways to prevent that from happening is to make sure that they do the right maintenance. Another reason may be that they have to comply to some permit or extend a permit, or they pursuing ISO 55000 or one of these international standard certifications. RCM fits that pursuit well. So if you do it and you do it correctly, then obviously that would help in getting those certifications. Another reason may be that they just want to increase their availability, cut some cost, and have a better handle on how they manage their cost and their risk. RCM is not industry specific. It can be applied to anything, but Eladon has had enough experience where we have industry-specific case studies, so if clients want to apply it on their specific industry, we can help. Companies will know when they're ready to do RCM. Where do they start? They start with the most critical pieces of equipment and see what the benefit is before they start rolling out on a large scale. We always recommend to start with a pilot project, make sure that they have the processes in place to take the recommendations and do something with it. After that, review and evaluate whether it was beneficial before they roll out to a large scale.